Hey. What do you think you're doing? I wouldn't eat that if I was you. That's been inside me a while. Psst. Over here,
You can talk.
Well, I mean, at this point, that's kind of a stupid question, isn't it?
Right. So, how exactly can you talk?
I don't know. Just can. Ooh. I can sing, too. I'm tickled pink, that things are rosy, and skies are blue. Hey, fine, sorry. I think they said I could be on The Voice.
So I assume the toaster can talk too, then?
What? No, that's just stupid. Shh. Nope. No. Oh, why would you even consider that?
You are worthless. Okay. And he probably thinks I'm crazy.
Well, you haven't presented much of a case otherwise.
So now the talking fridge is trying to lecture me about my mental health.
Buddy, you're trying to eat an expired sandwich and you're talking to a kitchen appliance. At this point, that's a valid question.
Wow. That's pretty cold, even coming from you.
I'm a refrigeration unit, eh?
You know what? I'm just gonna leave.
Fine. The toaster and I didn't want you here anyway.
What?
What? Not another one. Oh boy. Let me tell you about the last guy that was just in here. This was trying to call me cold after he